Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Hover. So if you want to connect your Etsy shop to a domain you purchased from Hover, what you're really doing is pointing your Hover domain to your Etsy shop, so visitors to your domain go straight to your Etsy store. And Etsy does not host shops on custom domains, but you can use domain forwarding. Okay, so at first you will need, guys, to go to the hover.com and then just log in with your account. And then just go to the domains section that you can find at the top left of the page and select domain that you want to use. So for example, I will go with .com. Okay, just click it. And now you will need to go with forward tab or forwards tab that you can find just right here. So just click it and then just click on forward this domain, and right then just enter your Etsy shop URL and select the redirect type, like permanent or temporary. Then choose whether to forward with masking. That's optional. So masking keeps your domain visible in the browser instead of showing Etsy's URL. Then just save and test. So save the forwarding settings in Hover. It may take a few minutes to a few hours for the changes to propagate, and test by entering your Hover domain in a browser, so it should redirect you to your Etsy shop. So I do really advise you to always use a 301 redirect for SEO benefits, and Hover doesn't host your Etsy shop, so you're just forwarding traffic. And you can combine this with a landing page if you want branded domain experience from Shopify, for example. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.